Hello guys, it's NautoAce. So just wanna make a quick announcement, and basically I saw this on Facebook, credit to Gematsu, that apparently in Japan in the end of March there will be a Idea Factory compile Heart presentation. And again, mind you, in Japan, basically I guess they're gonna explain what games in the future they are developing, and again in Japan there. So you gotta keep in mind when I say in Japan that Japanese release, because normally it takes at least 6 months, a bit more, it depends, to be localized to the US. I mean, you already kind of see that on the press event. So I just wanna basically announce that for people who still don't know that there will be a Compile Heart Idea Factory presentation. Hopefully they'll announce finally a main Neptunia game again in Japan. Maybe Rebirth 2 Plus and Rebirth 3 Plus. Unfortunately, I know the first Rebirth Plus game didn't sell well in Japan because, well, like I said, maybe it's just my theory and my guess that Neptunia sells better in the West versus in Japan, and hopefully a lot of these announcements are going to be on the Switch. Yes, I can believe, as a guy who tried to support Sony in the past, of course of their controversy, I want all these games to be on the Switch. That's why. Also, another one is just another announcement here is Moero Chronicles Hyper for the Switch. It's actually coming out this Friday. By the time this recording posted on my secondary channel, it's going to come this Friday, March 15. Final round weekend if you're a FGC guy. So yeah, and it's going to be $30. And for the first week or so, I think maybe 2 weeks tops, it's going to be 30% off. So yeah, day one buy for me there on the Switch. And maybe hopefully future Neptunia game or Idea Factory game, they're going to go to the Switch. I know I'm not going to get the Platinum trophy system, whatever, but hey, it's better than having games censored. But that's just me. With that, I'll see you guys later.